So in this video, I'm going to talk about um, my group's COA project lah. For this one, it's CPU benchmarking in assembly. So we'll do the test in using an assembly program. So here you have a code, and what this code does, it takes an equation, right, and then converts it to register operations. And first, the program will prompt you to enter how many loops you want, and the program will loop loop through the register operations repeatedly, and give you the time, the processing time lah in the on the S output. So without further ado, I'll just start the program. Because it prompts us to enter the number of loop as I just said. I'll enter 50 first. And this should take about 4 seconds. Yep. Then press continue. Now I'll enter 100. This should take about 9 seconds, right? Since it's twice the number of loops as the previous. Yeah, it should take about 9 seconds. Now I'll enter 200. It should take about 18 seconds. Right? 200, 500, 700, 1000. I just wait. It should be about ready, right? Yeah, 19 seconds. No, I'll enter 500. Should take about 36 seconds. Should take about 36 seconds, right? Wait. Wait. Yeah, it took 46 seconds. And now I'll enter 700. 700 should take even longer. This is the basic idea about CPU benchmarking. So for the sake of the report, we have to fill in the report, right? So I'll just end I'll just do it until 1000 lah. So it took about 65 seconds. Yeah. Now I'll enter 1000. Just wait for a while. I think it should be about ready. Yep, it took about 92 seconds. So that's all. That's all I think for this video. I hope you enjoyed lah, or at least learn something from this video. So thank you guys for watching.